ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே பொக்கிஷமாக நெஞ்சில் புதைந்த நினைவுகள் எல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வருதே
தேனாம்பேட்டை சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் இறங்கு.
Tower, this is Canada Air 822. Request route clearance and takeoff clearance.
Hello, this is M. Balaji. Having a nice time at the get-together here. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Ram Prasad. Hi.
Hello, Chitra. Message whoever hears us. This is Anand, S.C. Anand. Okay.
Hi guys, this is Sri Krishnanya, your old brat.
Hi guys, this is Vikram Jindal. I thought of 19th of June and finally I made it.
Hi guys, I'm Amrita Shetty here. I hope you remember me guys. Hope to meet the rest of the batch. Bye.
Hi, this is Maha. I'm really enjoying it. Really missing you.
Hi guys, this is Satish here.
And once again back here, the brat, Sri Krishnanya once again. 19th June was a successful meet. Sunita, thanks to you, because it was you who started the first reunion, not convention, reunion. I'm really happy about it. To say a special thanks to Maha, because she initiated the whole thing, and a special thanks to Vikram, because at the last moment he said, let's have it on the 19th of June itself. And again, coordinating with everybody gave the right support to me. I'm really thankful to each and every one of them who come to this particular reunion, and I would like that next year I want all the 30 to 35 of guys to come to the reunion and have bash here. This is my personal request, as well as from this particular team who has joined us for 19th June. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yaade